A warm welcome to all my dear students of class 10. In this video, we are going to discuss about your internal formative assessment 2020. This time, we have selected the text from two chapters of your syllabus, that is chapter 5 light and chapter 8 physical and chemical properties of matter. The topic we have chosen, that is light and organic chemistry. The method for your formative assessment we have taken, that is creative writing. The title of your work is Science Dictionary. Now, in this assignment, what you are going to do? You are going to make a science dictionary. That means you will choose few keywords from the chapter light and organic chemistry and you will develop your science dictionary. For this, the material that you are going to require, that is A4 size page and blue or black gel pen for drawing and writing. The general instruction that you have to follow is, first of all, you are doing your assessment in A4 size page. You will use one side of the A4 size paper and another side you will leave. Second thing is that while making the dictionary, for the elaboration of the meaning, when you are writing them, you must use your own words. You will illustrate with the diagram according to the need and at least 10 words from each chapter you have to choose. Now, I am going to show you the page format. That is, in the first page of your project work, you will make the page like this shown on the screen. First, you will give the heading Internal Formative Assessment 2020. Then you will write the subject, that is physical science, selected text, that is chapter 5 and chapter 8. Topic that we have chosen, light and organic chemistry. Method you have to write creative writing. And the title of your work is Science Dictionary. Then accordingly you will put your name, class, section and roll number. That is what the presentation in the first page. Now coming to the second page. In the second page you are going to write the planning of your assignment in short, means how or what you are going to write in the upcoming pages. Now from third page onwards your project work is going to be started. You will start your writing. Now in the first, as we have selected two chapters, at the first we will select the chapter light. So give heading chapter light, make columns like shown on the screen, serial number, word, meaning. So accordingly you will choose any 10 keywords from the chapter light and you will put the word here. Suppose you have taken concave mirror. So word is concave mirror. The illustration, what is that? Meaning that you are going to write in the meaning section, and also suitable diagram you will put, and then after completion of one word you will put ending line. Then you are going to come for the second word. Suppose you have chosen pole. So for pole you have written word pole and after that you are putting the meaning here and including the diagram below it. After that you will put the ending line. Like this you will complete your 10 keywords. Once the light portion is covered with the 10 words, then Next you will give heading number 2, that is organic chemistry. Here also you will follow the same method, that is, suppose you have chosen number 1 word catenation. So what keyword is catenation? You are going to write the meaning of it here, and if you want to give some suitable diagram related to that keyword, you can put, and you will put the ending line, and you will move to the next keyword. That is how here also you are going to choose 10 keywords and you will make your science dictionary. And at the last page, you are going to leave the last page blank, like shown in the screen. A full blank page you will leave at the last, and there you will put two things, that is one column for the teacher's signature, another one will be parent signature. That is how you are going to make your project work. Thank you.